Hello, welcome to Insectex, Information Security Technologies training on penetration testing with Metasploit. In the last video, we have successfully performed the browser exploitation using Metasploit auxiliary browser autopon module, right? Now let us go through this particular B framework. Using this B framework, one can successfully exploit the web-based as well as the browser-based vulnerabilities. So there are a rich set of features which are available in this particular B framework. So for more details, you can visit the following link which I have supplied here. So coming to the next slide, which basically describes the architecture of the browser exploitation framework. On the attacker's machine, that is on the Kali Linux box or else whatever the machine which you are using, we need to install this particular B framework, and using that you can start exploiting the victim machine. Okay, so now let's go with the basic installation, and after installation we shall configure this particular B framework on the Kali Linux machine. The installation process takes a bit time. Even I have created a help file for you. Using that you can go with the installation as well as the configuration process. So let's do this. Let's open up our Kali Linux instance, and this is the help file. So here first thing is that we need to install the BeefXS on this particular Kali Linux. Accept it. It's downloading the packages. Okay, so now second thing here is we need to edit this particular file, okay, where we need to enable Metasploit as a true, okay, this particular file. Okay, so search for Metasploit. Okay, you can see here already it's enabled, and coming to the next one, you need to make sure that your host IP address as well as the callback IP address should be the same, and you need to ensure that you have supplied the custom path. Okay, if you're using the Backtrack 5 or also Backtrack 5R3 versions, in default it allocates the custom path. Okay, so now if you are using Backtrack 5 or else 5R3, it's okay. If you're using the Kali Linux, means you need to supply this particular custom path, and even before that let us change these settings in the following file. Okay, so now you can see here the host. Even before that, let me go to the numerical view, and what did I set here? Add the Kali Linux IP at the line 18 and 26. Okay, let's go to the 18 line. Here the host. Okay, here you need to assign Kali Linux IP address. Now assign the IP, that is 192.168.159.134, and the next line is at 28, that is here assign the same IP 192.168.159.134, and finally you need to change the settings even at the this particular callback at the framework path, that is at the line 37 something. You can come to here OS backpath, or else the best thing is that you can select this particular custom path and you can give the path of the Metasploit framework. Let us see the path here, user and share Metasploit framework. Okay, it is asking you to give the path of the Metasploit framework. Copy this and paste it here. Okay, now save the file, and the last process, we just need to enable this particular plugin. Copy this over the MSF, paste it. Okay, so everything is working fine, right? Now finally, last but not the least, we need to run this particular beef. Okay, so here I have supplied a wrong path. I think it should be beef XSS. Okay, so I'm sorry for this. You need to enable here beef XSS. I'll edit it. CD user share beef XSS with ls here. You need to run this particular file. Okay, that is by doing beef. Close browser here. Okay, so this is the panel. Okay, the admin panel for us. Okay, let us copy the link address and let us open up our browser, and in the browser you need to supply the following path. Okay, so coming to the username and password, the default username and the password for this particular framework login page is beef and beef, BEEF and BEEF. Login success. Okay, so this is the user interface panel. Okay, you have a panel of the beef framework, right? In the next video, we shall discuss how to use this particular beef framework for exploiting the browser-based vulnerabilities. Thanks for watching, guys. Have a nice day.